Hi, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about one more CAD/CAM software, which is an artistic CAD/CAM software, which is more loved by artistic people. This software is based on more into the artistic works than the proper engineering work. So whatever the design we do, it's much supported to create reliefs and also do 2D works. So this the name of the software is Carco. It is a new avatar of ArtCam software. Earlier Delcam ArtCam, then becomes Autodesk ArtCam. Now it come into a new brand. It's not Carco. So those people who have not getting support from the ArtCam software because they stopped releasing, and those people want a licensed software, they can go for Carco. The software is exactly with the same and a better features, upgraded features, what the normal ArtCam software available earlier. So today we will look into the this Carco software, what all different bundles of Carco software is available. We will look into the various, we will also look at the what all different types of files this software will support. And also we'll have the comparison of different bundles or different products discussed while visiting their website, carco.com. So let us see. Let's go to the website. Here you can see Carco as a class-leading 3D design and manufacturing features trusted by creative manufacturers the world over. The tagline is like that. And Carco offers a range of creative design and manufacturing software to help artistic products on your CNC to make. Okay. So these are three different bundles available. What is the basic one is Carco Maker with a limited commands, basically concentrated with the 2D commands, mainly for hobbyists and all. And Carco Maker Plus. Maker Plus have some more production-oriented tools. Also 3D design features also included in this Maker Plus. And Carco, this one is full premium design and manufacturing software with all the features of the Carco software. So this is the three different bundles, three different products available in Carco. So if you visit their website, you will get more information regarding the software. And they are bringing the legacy of 25 years in the making. Okay, so that is what they claim. Now we look at the various features of the software, and we will compare the different features. Okay, so compare the Carco features. What is the different tools available in each of the different products? It's the same product only, as a bundle of different commands are given with this. Each bundle it contains some features, others in some bundle there is no that feature. So let us see what all things are available in the Maker bundle. In Maker bundle, you have the max resolution of 2000 by 2000 pixels only. And in bitmap, mainly in bitmap, you can do bitmap editing. From bitmap to vector, you can convert bitmap to vector. We can adjust the resolution, and also bitmap layers and DustQ vector editing tools. You have vector editing. So here DustQ is not available with the Maker. Okay. So vector editing tools, Maker available. It's available in the Maker, and then mirror, trim, block, copy, rotate. Those features available. Vector doctor is available. Fillet is available. Click, spline, fill, outline available, and vector layers is available. Basic offset and vector library is available. This much features or commands available in the Maker. And text tools, all the commands that create text and text on a curve are available. And in 3D design tools, we have relief clip art library is available, scale relief and smooth relief, invert relief command and relief boundary, magic wand, zero in out to vector, remove small holes, paste relief, preview relief, create mesh, relief from grayscale. This much is available. This much features in 3D design tool is available. And in 2D machining, then in machining part is concerned, profiling, drill and peck drilling, V-bit carving, inlay wizard, floating bevel carving, customer model origin, bridges, breakout tabs, and ramping moves, final pass. This some of the elements which comes within the 3D machining, 2D machining options available. So that much is available. In whether any 3D machining options are available, yes, in 3D machining you have 3D relief machining is available with raster and classic raster, spiral in a box and a classic spiral in a box. This is the different options of operations. Roughing faster and offset raster, roughing raster, offset raster, ramping moves, support for that's not applicable to CNC router. And this much is available in the Maker bundle. Maker. If you have Maker Plus, some more features are added like texture machining, that is in 2D machining from beginning itself. Let it see. Here also the resolution is same. In the Maker Plus, the resolution 2000 by 2000 only available. And bitmap tools also same as Maker tool and Maker bundle. And also in vector tools, 3 more extra commands are available. Envelope distortion and multiplate and vector sheets are available. And in text tools, all as a Maker, all tools are available. 3D designing tools, additionally, we have sculpturing. In that, smooth erase, deposit carve options available, and in shape editor is available. Okay, shape editor is available. Then V-wizard, texture relief, turn tool and spin tool, fade relief, cookie cutter is available. Then shading parameters, shading parameters not relief cookie cutter up to that is available in the 3D designing option. And in machining option, in 2D machining, extra texture machining, nesting, guillotine cuts, drill banks, toolpath template, toolpath paneling, ordering, advanced profile options, batch calculation toolpath, toolpath merge, copy and transform, edit tool parameters, raised round, sequencing, fluted wave, and is available. This much is available in the 2D machining. So in 3D machining, 2 more commands are available, like that advanced raster and advanced raster X and Y, toolpath transformation. This option is available in Maker Plus. So in simulation also is you can have a simulation. Additionally, other than the Maker have machine simulation and custom shading options. Here in Maker Plus, you have simulation options and material color simulation also available in a Maker Plus option. Now the full bundle, what is called Carco, we have resolution. We have much higher, almost double the resolution. You have 4000 by 4000 pixels resolution. And in bitmap tube, you have additional command node SQ. And in vector tools, you have advanced offset and Guilloche and vector shadow. Options is available. Texture tools both are available. And 3D in 3D designing tools, you have many strong additional tools are available, like shading parameters, calculate surface area, and scale to volume, add draft, gray scale from relief, relief mirror merge, paste relief on a vector, face wizard, two rail sweep, relief offset, slice relief, create ring, extrude, constant height lettering, back reliefs, 3D blunt, contour blunt, create cross section, relief layer, advanced sculpturing tools, angle plane, relief analysis tools, envelope distortion, silo, texture flow, Latin imaging. So all the strong and major 3D tools are available in the full version. Okay, then in 2D machining, you have additionally only smart engraving is only additionally available in this. Otherwise, if you are going only for 3D 2D machining, you can go for Maker Plus, because only smart engraving is additional in this. In 3D machining, also we have all the other machining strategies. Then the machine relief, machining relief, relief machining. This is 3D machining relief. This come only the command available in Maker Plus. We have additional constant set machining, 3D offset spiral, 3D offset inside, Z level roughing is available. So this is some of the option which is coming with the 3D machining, relief machining. So this whole option is only available with the full-fledged Carco version. And it's at level roughing, feature machining. This all some of the important features in the 3D machining. If you want to have now more depth machining or machining on a 3D surface like that. So surface link and 3D cutout, 3D rest, all some of them are useful for the CNC router machine. Otherwise, it may be useful for the laser application. 3D rest also a useful command. Flip machining, ring machining, also available. 3D printing is not applicable to CNC router machine. 3D 3-axis rotary also available in the full-fledged Carco software. And in simulation, you have OptiFeed and Save Copy Relief Layer. That is the additional features available in the simulation site. So this is the different commands available in each bundle of all the three versions, all the three variant of Carco software, that is Maker, Maker Plus, and Carco. Because the depend upon your requirement, you can select which one depend upon the command. If you are only using 2D commands, you are just an hobbyist, you may be looking for basic commands only, then you need not to invest not much amount. So then you can go for the Maker. And if you want to have some more signage application where you want to do more 2D cutting and all, so you can go for Maker Plus. And if you want a full-fledged machining experience, you designing and 3D designing and machining experience, and you can go for Carco full-fledged applications. Now we will see what all different file formats are supported by this Carco software. So there is in vector images. So we have vector. Sorry, in vector files. We have AI files, DGK file, DXF AutoCAD. We have DXF and DXF both. Okay, a different format available. DXF itself and EPS format of 2D vector is available. Duct pictures, SVG file, PostScript files, PDF files, AutoCAD files in DXF format also, and Autodesk file with PIC or star.dgk. So these all file formats in 2D vector, it's supported by Carco. And in mid-map images, we have .bmp and .gf, GIF and JPG. TIFF and PNG files are supported. And in relief model and 3D model, relief model, we have Carco relief, that is star.rlf, that is a version of ArtCam file extension. So there's a Carco model star, that is a relief model. This is Carco model, also have the extension star.art. Believe in ArtCam also 9 relief star RLF and .art model also, symbol relief format SRF, BMP, TIFF, PIX, and CopyCAD map with normals also is supported by the Carco software. And surface mesh, that is surface and mesh 3D, that if you want to take the file from 3D Studio and Carco assembly 3D files and 3DP and DXF file, DWG file, DDZ file, DGK file, DDF files from Autodesk, and also U3D files and Autodesk machining templates, Wave friend object for OBJ files, and PDF files, 3D PDF file, ASCII STL files, binary STL, and IGS files, TIFF file, and 3DM files are supported in the 3D space. And in the toolpath side, the basic data file is star.ttb, and the template is TPL. And also you can follow different machine tool manufacturers. Their post-processor also can be supported. So we can include a variety of post-processor and standard post-processor of different machineries. Their controller is available with all variation. And if you want to see some of the, we can also see that which all company support controller is supported by the. So there is a number of machines are supported by the software. Okay, so this is. So hope that, and there are also some training features also available, and that training they have a training, the basic training they are also giving in their software training. Also you will get a glimpse of that if you visit their website. You have some how to get into know your software, and you can also visit and see that 2D design vectors and bitmap, how it is done. And also you have additional 2D design tools in Carco Plus, like working with sheets and shape nesting. This video is available, and 3D design and relief. Okay, this also available. These are freely available on the net. Okay, in their website, so you can experience how these tools work, and then decide to purchase the software. Additional 3D design tools also, for that also some tutorial has been given. And regarding the tool paths and machining, also different kinds of tool database what is available, and profile tools, and with just leading, tramping, area clearance, drilling, V-bit carving, bevel carving, inlays, fluting and machining, relief, simulation. So all this some exercises are given there, and also what all additional toolpaths is goes with maker plus, sorry. In that what all options are available, regarding that also some training videos are available. So also given some of the projects that can be done using the CNC router machine with the software. Okay, so that also given in this. So this is the basic training that you can have an little bit of experience, but not a detailed training is not available. So just to understand the basic commands, this training will be very useful. This is mainly based on Carco Maker Plus. I think that much option. I don't think all the options are covered, but there are some few features. So a few commands have been explained here. So you can make use of this and take a wise decision to buy this software. If you have any doubts, clarity regarding this software or any other software as it is, you may please contact me. My name is Pradeep Kumar KP. I am a CNC router business consultant. I'm calling myself as a CNC router success coach. I'm here to help more than 100,000 of people who have no proper guidance how to start a new business based on CNC router machine. And also for those people who have already invested in CNC router machine and stuck with problems in running and scaling of the business. So I also conducting a regular webinar where I will be revealing the 3 secrets of CNC router business. And also if you want to get into the community of learners of CNC router business, you can register for my webinar. I will be giving you more detail. So hope you to meet in my live webinar. Thanks for listening. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a like. Thank you very much.